Hi everyone, Filvet here, and this is my 14th video about environment dressing in my new project, and it is a military hangar with rocket inside in Gears of War 5 universe. And right now I want to tell you about environment dressing. So here you can see that I took this meshes from Fab, from Unreal Engine store or Epic store. And here you can see these objects. So I added them just to add some story to my scene. In this case, it looks more like people actually work, or they do something. Maybe they build something, or it looks livable, you know. It's not just completely clear, like crispy clear. No, it will look like fake scene. But in this case, we can see some maybe trash or some barrels and some other like boxes and so on. So in this case, you can just believe that this scene exists in real life, real story. Maybe not in real life, but it has some story, right? So yeah, thank you and have a good one.